Basically, IFFI is a very prestigious event for Goa, especially, and we look forward to it. Unfortunately, it has become like a avenue for corruption. Now, the ESG has requested for certain works which are required to be done, painting all the buildings, doing some cleanup and things like that. Yeah. Besides whatever the other crores of rupees of contracts and tenders that go out. The issue is, these have been advertised in the newspapers. These are the PWD tender documents, totally worth about 70 lakhs only for painting and cleaning. Half of these works, actually all of the tenders were supposed to be opened today. Like yesterday was the last date of submission, today was the opening date. Some of them are on the 15th. But even the ones that were supposed to be opened today and then awarded, the works have already been completed. I think Mr. Kaldesai, he called you in front of us yesterday. Yes. But in front of me, raised the issue. I think he had no idea. Day before yesterday, we went to the PWD engineer. He had no idea. So the only person left is the chairman, who is the chief minister. If you can just call him in front of us and ask him, because there has to be some accountability. How can nobody who is in command, sitting on the chairs of authority, not have any idea about how work is being done without any tenders being even opened yet?
See, what will happen is, if it is a PWD work, you have to get in touch with PWD to get the clarification from them. So what you require to do is, you can give me a written application or
we
something.
met the vice chairman yesterday.
Yeah, but have you given anything written to him?
Otherwise, you will not take any action if you
not
give
like
it.
that. See, what happens for me also, it becomes easy.
But you are also aware of it since yesterday. We have asked that since the work is already complete, these tenders should be cancelled. Why are you wasting people's money twice over? Or is this going in somebody's pockets, man?
I don't want to go into this. If you give me your application, I'll process it. I'll make sure that you get some answer.
Application for what? I'll show
At
you
least
the evidence. You're sitting in a
so
building
how
that
can I? No, you have to understand.
See, without your request for painting,
4 lakhs of rupees tenders, you're sitting in the building for which 4 lakhs of tenders is to be opened today, and it's already complete. Your building is already painted. Can you please let me know? You must have seen who has painted while coming in and going, or do you have some secret entrance?
I understand. It's not secret. See,
Ma'am, if you understand, then please.
what is your job? Because what is your job? What is your job?
We have not understood.
You don't request. You don't.
You cannot pass the buck, ma'am, to the PWD. You're the parent department who has asked for these works.
Passing any buck.
Where is the inspection committee? Why has the inspection committee not come here? Why don't you call the inspection committee? Let's see if the work is complete or not.
It's happening right in front of your eyes. They're asking.
How can you just feign
What is your role? What is your role? What are you doing?
How
here?
can you just feign ignorance like this? This is 70 lakhs rupees of work just on painting. We're not talking about the crores of rupees of catering, travel, accommodation, decorations, event management. So much budget comes from the central government. This is like corruption festival of India then.
कोणाकडे आले टॅक्सपेयरचे पैसे? This is the taxpayers' money.
I will tell you one thing. Please.
You are doing blatant corruption, and why should we reduce our voice? It's our hard-earned money going into.
You can't just raise your voice.
किती happy लोग? If we don't get answers, we'll raise our voice. We want answers.
You want answers, I will give you answers.
What is your role as a general manager here?
Whatever my role is, I am well over.
You have not requested to the PWD to do the painting of the structure.
Definitely,
Have you requested?
I have done it. So
Then-
now, if you find out some loop in that, then I
What loopholes you want?
Ma'am, you are aware of this
I will
yesterday.
check it
तू
out.
गाणी कसलं loophole आहे?
अरे काम.
किती बोललो आम्ही? तू कसलं loophole आहे तुला?
And with the lady, I would prefer everyone to speak with
There is a corruption everywhere.
Okay,
Lady or lady or
each person
minister.
feels
Everybody is
different.
corrupt.
Each person feels different. Please don't.
You are a
Okay,
person
I am
who
telling you,
is
I
accountable.
find
Don't
out
support
and
this
give
corrupt
you
government. You may be
The tender
clean
is supposed
lady.
to be opened up today.
Yes.
If the tender is supposed to be opened up today, what has happened and how come the painting has been done? Just let
That is what I am going to tell you. If you give me some time, It is not
What
possible.
time?
Ma'am, it was happening.
It's happening right in front of your eyes. What time you want?
So when you are sitting here that the tender is supposed to be opening up today, and
It is
painting work is
listen,
already
each
started.
department works with
As
their
a main
own
head on the chair, isn't your responsibility?
Listen, it is
also
my
to-
responsibility. I agree. There are few responsibilities which are lined
Have
up
you
for
put
me.
in an application to PWD saying how they've done this thing?
Yeah, we will be doing that
She's
now.
saying you
I'm
should have
saying-
given something in writing.
Writing
Otherwise, you're not
to
taking
manage
action.
responsibility. Now,
What is it?
I'll tell you.
How come
each,
you are not
each
interested,
line
ma'am?
department
How is
work
that-
for EFE, respectively. We don't interfere into their functions. प्रत्येकाचा आपापला एक रोल असा जो डिफाईन्ड असा.
Councillor defiant, support corruption.
Okay, ma'am, what about today's tender opening? Is that
I
being cancelled? Is
don't
that what
know. This is a
Ma'am, you were
PWD
aware of it
department.
yesterday. This was one of this I ran away today. He knew we were coming
My
today.
tenders are, I can give you the reactions or I can give you the information. This is PWD department. It's a different department altogether.
Ma'am, I'm
I
showing
have to
you
get in
the, I'm
touch
showing
with
you
them.
the PWD contract of the building in
I
which you are sitting.
understand whatever.
How can you are aware that you have given the request to paint this building. Let's just talk about one building that you are sitting in and you're coming and going every day. Let's just talk about one building. This is the PWD tender for that building. It is supposed to be open today, but you can see with your own eyes it is complete.
You're walking
How
in
come
the
you're not
park.
interested? How come you're passing the buck to us saying that we didn't give anything in writing? This is ridiculous.
I am not saying that I'm not passing
You started by
on.
saying that.
See, what I'm saying
So
is
what
that
action have you taken? Mr. Subhash Phaldesai called you in front of us yesterday.
Yesterday evening
We actually
it has
didn't want to
been
meet him. We
pointed out.
wanted to meet him today to follow
He
up.
has been just pointed out
He ran away.
yesterday.
Subhash Phaldesai ran away today. He knew we were coming.
तुमका किधर रिपोर्ट जाएगा हाँ तुमका
The report
No,
public,
no,
we just want to tell
this is
public.
not because I have to talk to the officials who are handling that. You can't be just asking about the other.
But you are aware of it since
You are
yesterday.
aware of it. I'm just saying you're sitting in
I
this
was
chair.
aware. See, I was telling you the same thing. Each department has their own functioning. That is not my department.
Have you put in a letter saying that what is
It
happening?
was
under
just
this?
yesterday evening which we
But
have
the
to
tender
find
is
out.
today. It is important that it was supposed
अरे,
action
I
was
will
supposed to be
never go
taken.
into the functioning of other department. तुमच्या घरान कितें चल्लां तें हांव कशें म्हणून तोंड घालून विचारूं म्हजें जॉब see for
But you're
EFE
saying that how?
Listen,
that
if
I'm proud of
he
it,
has-
that they- at least you
if
should
he
be
has
responsible and ask for the same.
listen
It is he who has requested for the painting of this
That's
structure.
what I'm saying.
You
You have requested for the painting of your building, right? If you have requested it, then you follow it up.
Here, work is going on. We can't even walk from either side. So you're well aware what is happening. I'm just saying that if today is the tender opening and you are aware of it, and when today is the opening, you should have at least put in the letter first day saying that what is happening in my building and who's doing this, who's given this contract.
every year PWD does certain works. We don't interfere into those things. We don't because
Then
it is
what about
departments work in a different way. Each department has
Madam, this is
certain
not a
rules.
small.
We have-
Madam,
So
it
this
is.
is not like we're talking about 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. We're talking about
70
It is not only concerned with money. The international film festival, all the stakeholders will come to know that
I understand you're not concerned with the PWD, but we are concerned because it is our
That is
tax
what I'm
money,
saying.
and we brought it to your notice as you are the parent
Yes,
department who
you
has
have
ordered the
brought it
works.
to our notice yesterday.
PWD is only the
Give
executing
us a
department.
daytime, we will revert back to you. That is what I'm
What
saying.
revert back?
I'm
What
not
the
saying
revert?
anything. I'm not saying.
Today
Did I
is
say that I'm not going to take any actions or I'm not
So
going
you're
to
not even
work
aware
out?
who the contract was given to for
No,
painting?
we never interfere into their works.
No, but you don't know who the contract. Say suppose if there's some
Who is
problem which
painting
is
your
not done
building?
No,
properly.
we will contact the PWD directly.
So
We
you are
why
not
would-
aware
Our
at
request
all.
is.
No, we
our-
would not interfere
So
with
any
the
damages that's done in your building, so what
PWD will be responsible for it,
So
not anyone
you all
else.
are not being intimated who's the contractor?
No.
Who's taken this
No,
contract?
we never get an intimation. I mean, त्यांच्या हातून this yes, I
So you're
know
saying
that
that
we
Matter
PWD
is very
does things
simple.
silently.
Matter is very simple.
Sorry?
You don't have to give us any explanation. Your job is very simple. You are the parent agency who has asked for these works. You can see with your own eyes that all these works are already complete. It is your duty to today itself write to PWD to cancel these tenders. This money should not be spent. The work is complete.
We will go to the vigilance department, we will complain, or we will file our complaint there also, and we will tell them they are all involved in this massive corruption. Everybody is involved. And this is international film festival.
No,
All the
no,
stakeholders should know.
As a parent department,
I will check with the department what is the formalities they have followed and how it has been done, and then I will revert back.
But what about the tender opening for today? How come they've already done the painting and
I have
the
to
letter's
check.
going to go in?
See, that is what I'm saying. I cannot comment on their procedures. I have to check with them what is their procedure, how they have followed it.
Ma'am, we
I
have
will
brought
not
it to
receive.
your
If
notice.
you are asking about my
Rules,
department, I will tell you.
But rules, regulation, procedures are only followed by public, by citizens, and when it comes to the government, none of these things are being followed as per protocol. I mean, today is the tender opening and nothing. Work is completed, so who's been given this contract? And you have asked for this, so it is your baby to ask him that who is given this.
I will ask only PWD if there is any problem. I will ask them, this is the
This is the typical answer you can expect from a bureaucrat.
I mean, we all.
Typical answer. You are part and parcel of this big corruption.
I'm not
Ma'am,
saying.
you are sitting in the building for 7 lakhs.
One
of euros
simple
per
question,
year.
ma'am. This you which you have right now quotation with, right? This is of same building. Okay. The other building are there,
Right,
right?
you can verify this. You can
We can
verify
verify
this. This is the old annex. This is your Machine's Palace. This is the Machine's annex in which you are sitting. 7 lakhs plus 4 lakhs 11. Old GMC building 6 lakhs.
It's such a small job. Why 3-4 different contractors?
Sama Prasad Stadium 46 lakhs.
But suppose ma'am, if the already work is complete right now and if you
Maybe it's
want
a
to
laughing
keep it-
matter for you. Maybe
not
it's a
a
laughing
laughing
matter
matter
for you.
No,
This
it's
is
never a
this is
laughing
not
matter.
this is not
I am very
amusing to us at
particular.
all.
No, it is not amusing for me
But you
also.
just laugh.
No, because you are not ready to listen anything. See,
What
Kira
is
sir,
Well, we
no,
can-
Sir,
not
we see blatant corruption in front of us.
We are waiting to listen.
I'm very good. Just
We've listened to you.
तातो voice mark सकून करता.
See, माझा बाबू is hospital. My father freedom fighter. He spent 7.5 years in jail.
Correct.
But I am also fight. I can't see this. My father also did the same thing. I am also doing the same thing. My son also is doing the same thing.
Don't say that. आमच्या घराने तशा तसा
कशाला आम्हाला तुम्ही किती why are you sitting in this chair?
We request you.
Don't sit on that chair.
We request
We
you. to
rebel.
take action to
I
it.
will take the action. I told you I'll revert back to you.
But time is of the
You can't
essence
be-
because the
you
opening of the
can't-
tender is
Yeah, Happy Baba,
today.
leave that chair now.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling you. We
It's
don't
not
see
an unfair
corruption here.
request. If you feel you're
My father spent 7.5 years in jail.
saying that this is all happening under my watch, I don't want to be held accountable. People are coming to my office. You resign, man.
You mean to
It's
say
not an
that
unfair
you
request.
are in control?
तुका pride आणि जर तुका राग जर यायला झाला असं सांग त्यांना. Raise voice, be a part of us, join us against this corruption.
Please.
It's चोर सगळे.
I will
This government सगळे चोर सगळे
the
चोर.
way I want it. I don't require anyone's guidance.
Don't support this corruption.
But if the
प्रत्येकाचा
You may be
आपापला way
clean.
असता fight
Ma'am,
to
ma'am,
corruption.
the tender open,
Don't.
Ma'am, you are
if
clean.
the tender is supposed to open
I
today.
don't say that you are corrupt, but don't support this corruption.
Ma'am, it's clearly saying that tender.
Listen, we will figure it out. I'll get back. At least you have to give me 2 hours to time, so at
Okay.
least you have to figure it out. No, what is happening?
Ma'am, yesterday you already aware about this.
Arey, that is just a phone call. It was
Yeah,
not
expected
even.
you to come back again.
I got a phone call in front of you, and I told them that the work has been given to each line. See, you have to understand IFI is functioning. IFI, there are 15-20 departments which work together simultaneously. Okay, we just send them a reminder saying that these are the 10 things you have to do as per every year. And each department as a line departments who helps to execute the IFI as per their respective roles. We don't interfere.
But tenders are supposed to be open on a particular day.
Yeah,
That has
as
to be
if
followed.
their
Just tell
department
me-
तांचे आसा.
No, but just tell me that has to be followed as per protocol.
अगो म्हाका कळटा कितें म्हणटा तें. पूण म्हाका त्या डिपार्टमेंटा कम्युनिकेट तरी
But
करपा
ma'am,
जाय.
are you actually
No,
saying
but,
that you're not aware of the schedule
that
on
today-
which these supposed
that
things are
today the
supposed to be
tenders are
done?
Because this
supposed to-
department,
Can
see,
you
are
you have
mixing
such an
two
expensive
things.
laptop? I'm sure you have some schedule in there which you track on a daily basis to
This
make sure all the
doesn't
things
come
will be
to
completed
us.
by IFI.
You have to understand this doesn't come to us.
I'm
It's
sure
not
you're
a
aware
very-
that these are supposed to be done 2 days later. These works are supposed to be done 2 days later.
See, you are
Have you
still
not?
not
Have you not?
understanding.
If you
But
not.
even yesterday when it was brought to your
Line
notice.
department and how भितर वचूंक शकना बाबा.
But we have brought it to
Ma'am,
your
but
notice.
माझ्या
or not?
department
In the end, you're the parent department. You're the parent department, and we brought it to your notice. Still, you're feigning ignorance. Still, you're saying.
I told you. See, you have to give me at least a day to find out.
Yesterday, today morning you
We've
should have
given you
done
a
that
day.
complaint.
Today is the day of the opening of the tender. Another 3 days will go on. You will say that it was opened on the 10th, and last 3 days the work was completed.
It is not possible for me to comment on this at this time.
This is blatant use of power by the higher ups. Whoever they want to give
I
the
have
tender.
tried to tell you in a different ways. But if you are not ready to give me a time, then I can't.
You know, you understand the exact problem now.
म्हाका कळ्ळें तुका कितें म्हणटा तें, पूण तूं revert back. See, now
Can you
what
call?
is it now?
Can you call the PWD agency?
I will not call it.
We are
I
sitting
will
here,
ask
you
my
please make the
seniors
calls.
to intervene into it, and I will give you a
Can you
report.
I'll give you the
See,
phone
what
number.
I'm
Whose
saying,
number do you
like,
want?
Call up the PWD, let at least
Who do you need to
everyone
follow
come
up
to know
with?
what is happening.
I'll give you the numbers. Whose number do you
I have
want?
my number.
Then please
That
make the
is
call.
very
We are waiting.
important.
It is a matter of very great urgency.
See,
7
Because
lakh
today
rupees are
is
at
the
stake.
tender opening day. And
We'll
just
sit
because of
here.
that,
We met the executive
and
engineer.
because
He
of
told
that
me
reason-
he don't know who has started the work.
Am I asked it?
So he
PWD
said,
engineer
we
said
made the
For
that-
me, it is always
So,
see.
so if he's saying like that, so I'm requesting you to just call him and tell him to put up the today's tender.
Cancel
No need of doing
Why
work.
is money being
Some
spent?
hidden contractor has already done the work for us.
Fooling ones. You're fooling these
and who's
Yes.
giving what commission, how do we know?
We
Today
request-
the
we
tenders,
request you to
we
do
know how
that.
tenders work. We also live in cooperative society, we also do big work.
I'm sorry, but
No,
anybody
Raja,
says that
it's
I am
not-
not aware is part of the deal. Let me be very clear about that. Anybody who
don't-
says I
don't
am not
support
aware
this
is
corruption.
most aware.
अरे support
No,
कसं
no.
करतले?
No, that's why I'm telling you,
find
yes,
out
you
करपाक
check.
सुद्धा time दिवपाक जाय.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling
Giving
you.
you time. We gave you 24 hours, now we're giving you 2 hours.
डिपार्टमेंटाचे
We'll sit
कितें
here for
आसता
2 hours.
प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंट आपापले यून फंक्शन्स हाउ कॅन
Ma'am,
आय
we are sitting
इंटरफियर
here
इन
for-
समवन एल्सेस डिपार्टमेंट
We are sitting here until we
and
give us an
now
answer.
the problem has been aligned. I will check with them. I will revert back. So you can't be expecting me to give you for someone else. How can I speak for
No,
someone
since
else?
press is they will call you
But
higher
you
up
have
and just find out the
asked for this
problem.
building painting. You have asked.
Yeah,
you
so
have the
I
full
have
right.
asked.
You have the full right to ask who was this contract given to.
I will.
As a citizen, we've come here because we all decided we all come here for equal.
I
And this is
understand.
something.
Not only that,
This is
when,
something
when
wrong
somebody
that
else
we
came for painting, it is in your property, somebody has come and started the painting. So ask him on what
How
business you
can
have come
someone
here.
just come in and
Can I-
start?
हांव माझ्या
It's
घराकडे
like
आपयता
I-
म्हाका खबर ना कोण
Can
पेंट
I
If
give
another
you
goes,
the-
if
This is
another
an eye
goes-
wash. This is an eye
Hold
wash.
on, Sam. Can I give you the executive engineer's number? Can
Hold
can-
on, now something.
Khanna. He's a main man who looks after all this work.
His name is.
So can you call him and ask
Tell him to call
consult
out his
him. Just tell him
ए,
someone
नाही, मी कसं करू शकत नाही. कसं करू शकते? Tender cancel कर म्हणून मी कसं सांगू शकते?
is ask him, no?
No, but how can all the tenders are right?
I have to check with the
But you want a number? You want a number? You can call him.
But ma'am, we have
This is
government
called Pasical, no call. You see, I met Pasical yesterday.
No, but as citizens we have come here.
कारण कसं आहे माहिती आहे, मी तू मला जे करायला सांगतो फॉर द प्रेस अँड
Yeah,
एव्हरीथिंग इट इज
that's
गुड बट फॉर मी एज अ ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आय हॅव टू फॉलो समवन
But ma'am, in the government department, we can do anything contract without any directly quotation and tender. We can do that.
But
You
it's-
have right attitude, you have calm,
No, this
complete
painting
of
work has
that.
been going on for so long.
Cecil, she was called by Subhash Padesai in front of me.
Yes, and
So she's
he
aware of the
asked,
issue.
he asked me who does the P-Dot or who does the painting. I said P-Dot.
So you please call Mr. Subhash Padesai, please tell him these people have come to my office, they were
Yeah,
looking
just
for
say
you.
that.
Why did you run away? Call him. He's run away. He's run away because he didn't have an answer. He's the. Let's call him in assets.
No one runs away. धावता कित्याक धावतलो?
You can't face
अरे,
it.
करप्शन करता त्यांच्या आता करप्शन सवय जाल्या कोण धावाना सगळे तोर सगळे सगळे ओपन तोर पब्लिकाक खबर आसा कित्याक धावतलो तो तोर धावता
The government department has a branches like you and everyone. You can't blame Baba. I'm not aware of that and they are doing it. But finally, instead you had asked for the painting work now.
It is not something once in a blue moon we ask for them. That is their job, every year job. For every there are certain standard procedures which they follow. We send
but
it,
want
we
to know,
send
ma'am,
the reminders to
the
them.
government building is painting by the private person. Did he have any contract, Baba? Okay, Baba, this is the contract for you that you have done.
If I find any issues, I will contact the PWD. I will not interact with any of the people. Because I am not their, appointing agency.
He's not decision. So, ma'am, above the vice chairman is the chairman who is the chief minister. Let's call him Monday. How about that? Let's call Mr. Pramod Sawant. Let's see if he knows what's happening.
And that's become.
मॅम आमचे कष्टाचे पयशे अशे 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 चोरू नाका लुटू नाका Don't be a part of it. Part of this corruption.
आमच्या घुसतार इलेक्शन
इलेक्शन फंक्शन चालू आहे.
असू दे. त्यांना मी काय करू माझ्याकडे जे होतं मी त्यांना नो हार्ड
I have the chairman's number. Why don't you give it?
I will only call my CEO.
Who is
Okay,
that?
please
Who is
call.
that?
I
Maybe
will
he's
call
not.
him
Yes.
because he is my reporting officer.
Very
Yes.
good. Is it?
Who's the coming to?
Maybe he's aware right now. We are everyone here.
It must be in the secretary.
Who is the CEO?
चहा पाहिजे.
See, ma'am, I think this is really amusing for you.
No, it's
We
not
are
amusing
not in
for
the
me.
least bit.
But the problem is, see, आता तुम्ही ना
No, I
मी
think
आता ह्या 2
to
तासामध्ये
show you how
सांगतो
serious we
तुम्हाला.
are, we are going to sit here until the matter is resolved. I think the conversation is done. Until you have an answer, we are going to sit here. Then we will see.
Just call the executive.
This is Aam Aadmi Party. We will not
Fine,
give it.
Deva. I'll ask my CEO to get in touch with him.
Please
Because
call,
I
please
don't
call.
want
Please.
to.
Please call them. Sir, call in
मी
front
तिला
of.
फोन लावते तिचा फोन लागत नाही.
Call the vice chairman. Call the side. Call the side.
You have to at least make an attempt. You're not even making an attempt. You're just trying to push us away.
First time I'm saying tenders are opening today and the whole thing is already created.
Magic.
Magic.
There are a lot of well-wishers of Goans and of EPL.
Whoever has sponsored this.
Unfortunately, nobody is taking it serious.
Indian contractor.
It should be nice.
They are
People
all-
should
they are
start
running
getting
those.
wages also for free for us.
Even Pramod Sawant, he must be aware that all this loot is happening. So, सगळ्यांनी जोडवायचे, सगळ्यांनी फोडवायचे. While fault मारणार.
Anyway, nowadays PWD is giving permissions also to public saying that go dig the road, do everything. Verbally. When you go to PWD office, they don't have an answer, they are all quiet. Excellent answer.
सरांचा फोन लागत नाही. आरामशीर जरा सांग ना, connect करता येईल.
No, tell him to come here. Tell him to come here. Public.
Secretariat मध्ये कुठे आहे?
Please tell him to come here. The public is waiting for him. There's no way you don't have a schedule and deadlines and milestones.
Nor do I have a right to interfere into any other.
This is good now.
Yeah,
If
it's
to,
so,
you know, if I today,
it's for
if
people
I
to see
if I
also.
put a tender of 10,000, I'm going to pay for 10,000 full building, which is done right now. And they have to give me for 10,000 also. And the contractor has to run away right now because he is working for more than lakhs. And I'm getting only for 10,000 painting it. So they have to give me 10,000. Then the painting is done.
सगळे एक tender
सगळे टेंडर झाले आम्ही 10,000, 100, 10,000 झाले.
20% below. तारीख कमिशन
Sorry, sorry.
आम्ही आलंच बघायला आहे, आलंच बघायला आहे. आम्ही आलंच बघायला आहे. अरविंद केजरीवाल साहेब, गव्हर्नर
She doesn't want to interfere.
आम्ही आलंच बघायला आहे.
आता मग
आमच्या पब्लिक पैशाची चालणार सरकार अहो मनी नाही मनी we enjoy this air conditions. Nice chair also. खुर्ची कुठे आहे? examiner.
Possible for him to come and I'm not able to reach him.